Okay, so today it's time to unbox and test some new things from LightInTheBox. We have here a mini fast charger with dual output, and this little charger can charge up to 47 watts in total. So that's really great because this one is very portable and small. And we have a 60 watt PD fast charging braided cable here, Type C to Type C, 1.8 meter in length. So these two I will unbox and try it out later on in this video. But we start with the mini fast charger with dual output. And you will find links to both of these in the description text below the video. And you will also find links to LightInTheBox website where you can buy a lot of cool stuff. So let's start by unboxing this. Pretty nice packaging actually. I like that. The design looks cool. Almost Apple-like, as you can see. Really nice packaging, really nice. I like the orange color here. Whoa, this is neat. And as you can see here, a user manual. And here we have the charger itself. Wow. Very, very cool. But let's check out that later on. Let's see if there is something more in the box. I can't see any more in the box. As I said, really nice packaging actually. Really nice packaging. I like that a lot. That was quality. Pure quality. So let's see the charger. Let's remove this plastic. Like so. Really nice. As you can see here, 47 watts. And this has a EU plug for Europe. Of course, you can buy this with a US or UK plug if you want. Check out LightInTheBox on the web. So, quite heavy though, but quite small. And very portable for 47 watt. Here we have some plastic too to remove. Like so. So USB-A and USB-C, as you can see. So both of these together will be 47 watt in total. So you can use this for fast charging. Nice. So let's check out the cable, and then after that we will try this charger on with some of my gadgets. So here we have the Type C to Type C cable, 60 watt. So this cable can be used up to 60 watt PD fast charging. And these are braided cables, so they last very long. They're durable and anti-fracture. This package was a bit more ordinary than the other one. As you can see, not as classy as the charger, but let's see how good the cable looks. 1.8 meter is quite long, and that is really great to have. So, quite nice packaged anyway, I think. Oops. Like so. Here we have the braided cable. Looks and feels a bit rugged actually. Let's remove this strap. And can I remove it completely? Hopefully. Because I don't like those. Like so. And here you can see the manufacturer, Joyroom. So LightInTheBox sells this. Go check it out on the web. I have links down below in the description text to where to buy these. Very, very cool braided cable. Not as soft, a bit rugged when you hold it, and a bit stiff too. But it feels like very, very high quality. As you can see here, USB Type C connectors. Very, very high quality. And you have the Joyroom logo. So the 47 watt charger with a USB Type A and a USB Type C port, and this USB-C cable. I will try this on with some of my gadgets now, so check that out. Okay, so let's start with try to charge my iPad Air 4 with a USB-C port on the 47 watt charger to the USB-C on the iPad. So let's plug in the USB-C connector into the iPad, and as you can see, it starts to charge, and this should use the fast charging technology from the charger into the iPad. But let's try to connect also a USB Type A cable into the charger itself, like so, and then try to charge my AirPods, for example. At the same time, as you can see now we charge both the iPad and the AirPods from the same charger. 47 watt in total. That works really good, as you can see. So now we can also try to connect a USB-C to Lightning cable instead of this USB-C cable. Like so. Here I have a USB-C to Lightning cable, as you can see. So let's plug that into the 47 watt charger instead. And here now we can pretend that I want to charge my AirPods again. So we can plug that in. And as you can see, it works with a USB-C to Lightning cable too. Works great, as you can see. So now we can try to charge my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. But to do that, I need to plug my AirPods in again to charge it with that Lightning cable, and then unplug this USB-C to Lightning cable and use the first cable again. We can remove the iPad, and now we should charge the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And to do that, we need the first cable again, the one from LightInTheBox. So we plug in the USB-C end into the charger, and then, as you can see now, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus has 99% charge, so maybe it won't use fast charging, but we can see anyway. Like so, it uses fast charging, 3 minutes until full, 99%. So that works. So now it says 1 minute until full, so it's really fast charging there. And I can unplug this, but that doesn't matter because the charger still uses 47 watt in total, even if I have this plugged in, so I get the fast charging. As you can see now it's fully charged with this cable and this charger from LightInTheBox. So I can highly recommend this charger. It works great, really, really great. And as I said, you can buy it with US plug or UK plug if you want. This is for Europe. So that's freaking awesome, I think. So you find links down below in the description text where you can buy this. Okay, bye.